Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. I'm going to be doing an alcohol ink, something a little different today. I have these oil and vinegar bottles that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. Anyway, I ordered these quite a while ago. I've made a few and I've sold a few, so they're quite popular. So I am going to do these with alcohol inks and show you how I do that. I do have another video, I think, where I do a set of these, but I need to make them and I figured I might as well film it. All right guys, so colors I'll be using are ocean colors because that is what sells most for me. The blues and the aquas and a little bit of the gold. So I will list all the colors I use down in my description box, and you know, basically I'm just going to be turning it and dripping the alcohol inks on it, and I'll be using this to blow them around, maybe using a little heat just to seal them. I do have a video where I show how to seal your alcohol inks. I'll link that here. First I use a spray varnish, a Krylon or Camar varnish, and you need to absolutely protect them with UV. So I do several coats of the spray varnishes, both the clear varnish and the UV varnish, and then I also use Bright Tone by Crystalac, which is a food safe. It's not food grade because you're not going to find anything. It's very hard to get something food grade approved by the FDA. So, but it's food safe after a 30-day curing process. It's used for bar tops, it's used for cups, it's used for everything. So if you're interested in that, I do have a coupon code down below, Bright Tone. It's Crystalac store. It's Bright Tone, and you can save some money on an order if you want to try it. That is something that I just brush on lightly. Actually, for these, I don't even use the Bright Tone for these because you're not drinking out of these. For this, yes, I would absolutely use the Bright Tone for these. But for this, you're not drinking out of these. Spray varnish is just fine. All right, guys, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing well out there. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And yeah, I'm glad you're here, and let's get started.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, still be here. stays. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.